Good day, family and friends. I salute you. Just reaching out. Last time we had a conversation, last time you kind of heard from me, I was actually sitting out in St. Thomas, completing the manuscript that I'm releasing to you now. And so this is the official release video for Freedom, a step-by-step guide to wealth and financial independence. And so I'm very excited about this. This kind of goes through a lifelong journey that goes back to when I was in high school. And I'm very fortunate to Mr. Isaac Lightfoot, who was my senior teacher in distributing education in DECA class and DECA club. And, to my lifelong mentors and supporters like Charlie and Marveline Cook. So enjoy this book. You can get the information here soon. In closing, I really want you to do one thing for me. As this is my first book that I'm publishing up under my own publishing company, feel free to make sure that you give me feedback, whether it is on social media, on Amazon, or any of our platforms. Really, when I began this journey, I thought just publishing a book would be something that I would like to do. Didn't know that it was going to have the appeal. This actual book will be released on 30 platforms internationally. And so, want to make sure that you have the opportunity to purchase it and to enjoy it, either in ebook, paperback, hardback. Audiobook will be released the first part of 2025. But like I said, don't hesitate to reach out. Let me know your thoughts. All right, take care. See you at the top.